Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to withdraw money without card at Wells Fargo ATM. So let's start with the first step, which is to open the Wells Fargo mobile application. On the app on your phone, you just have to sign in with your username, password, or you could even use your Face ID. Now on the home dashboard, you will see your accounts and a row of a quick actions button. So you just have to look for Cardless ATM. So it's the icon shaped like an ATM machine and you just have to tap it to start it. Next is select Cardless ATM Access. So on the Cardless ATM Access screen, you have to choose the account that you want to withdraw from. So let's say for example, the everyday checking. And then after that is read the on-screen instructions. Then tap on the red request access code button to generate your 8-digit one-time code. Next step is get your 8-digit access code. So the app will display an 8-digit access code along with a 30-minute countdown timer. So you have to memorize the code, or you can also tap the copy code but do not share it with anyone. And then you will need this code plus your regular ATM PIN at the ATM. Next is enter the code at any Wells Fargo ATM. Walk up to any Wells Fargo ATM, and on the welcome screen you tap on the cardless access or the mobile access. Then type in the 8-digit code from your app followed by your normal ATM PIN. So you have to choose the withdraw cash and pick the amount and collect your cash and receipt. Lastly is withdrawal complete. From here, you will see a confirmation screen in the application and get a push notification showing the amount withdrawn, the location, the date, and the reference number. Now the access code is now used up for your next withdrawal and you will need to request a new one. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!